What's up, YouTube family and friends? It's your boy Trucker CB coming back with another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel where we talk trucking and much more. Today is Monday. Everybody know what happens on Monday. Mondays are terrible. Just kidding. But I'm actually broke down on the side of the road today, and it's not like a real breakdown because I think I could clear this code. I actually did some research, but first let me show you guys the code that's showing up. So DPF, full engine derate, Regan required to clear derate. So at first this light right here was blinking like the four-way flashers, and then again, you guys know that this is a service light. So in order to clear this code, from what I've found out doing research, is that you have to have the parking brakes on, both of them. You want to hold this down for 5 seconds. You're going to feel your RPMs rev up to almost 10. It's 8 1/4 or almost 9 RPM. You're going to feel it rev up. This light didn't stop blinking till about 15 minutes. So after you hold this down for 5 seconds and then you feel the truck RPM revs go up to 10, you're going to release it after 5 seconds. Because what it's doing is, on the passenger side steps over here on the outside, up underneath the steps, there's a muffler like system going over there, which I guess that's where the DPF is and where the DEF muffler is or whatever. But what's happening during this process is it's burning all the sud off of there, and you have to allow it to work. And it should take 30 minutes to clear this code, from what I researched. Now I'm not sure this is the first time I've had this problem, but that light that I told you guys that was blinking and it stopped blinking and then now it's solid, I've had that light pop on for, I mean, I've said the past 6 months it's been coming on periodically. So my truck has 610,000 miles on it, and I've noticed with if you have an older model truck or a truck with a lot of miles, you could run into this problem. So I want to take this time to show you guys that some of this stuff you don't have to go to the repair shop for. Now, don't take it from TB. I'm not telling you guys that if your engine derating to just pull over and you can fix it. Like, some of this stuff you have to go to the repair shop to clear the code, because you don't have those kind of chips just laying around where you can clear certain codes. So you want to make sure, though, if you have this code, again, I'm gonna show you guys DPF, full engine derate. So it is an engine derate, but what this is, you could do this manual. You go over here, and one thing I want to point out about this button right here, you could either flip it up and it'll stay engaged, it'll stay on and on, it'll stay on if you flip it up. If you push it down, you know, you got to force it down and hold it down, because that's the manual part. If you flip it up, it's disabled. So you got to know the difference between the two of those and how to properly operate that. So yeah, this take about 30 minutes, it says, and we'll see in 30 minutes, because I haven't called my company yet. So I'm just going pure based off of what I've researched. And you know, I'm not telling you guys to do this, you know, but I will say that I did do my research, and I've been dealing with engine derates for a while now, and this is a way that you could clear the code, and we will find out. You guys notice, like I said, it's Monday. I couldn't even log in. I don't want to show my number, sorry about that. I couldn't log into my e-log, but I did. I ended up, you know, having to fill out a out of my logbook. But yeah, so it's going to be a busy day, man. I really don't have 30 minutes to spare, and that should teach you a lesson. You always want to leave in a timely fashion, like I say at least 45 minutes ahead of schedule, because stuff like this can happen. And when you have a lot of deliveries, I have 10 deliveries to today or tomorrow. I won't get to If you guys don't know, I go to Little Rock, Arkansas from Kansas City, and I won't get there till the morning time, around 5 o'clock. Oh, guess what? It just cleared. Tell me I'm not the truth. Tell me I'm not the truth. All the codes cleared. Now this light right here, it should just go off when you start driving. Like, that's not a big issue. Here we are. We're gonna get back on the road, but look where I'm at. I'm on a highway for real, broke down. Well, I was. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. See, that's how you clear a code, you guys. This is your boy Trucker CB, and I'm out. Peace. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.